Hey everybody, I'm Brian Azzano. I'm talking to you here live from ISE 2020 in lovely Amsterdam. The show is on the second day here, and we are having some great time showing off the new three-way offering from Stealth Acoustics. This is the StingRay X83. This is a completely hermetically sealed IP68-Rated loudspeaker. This is a surface mount speaker, and it capitalizes on the unique way we reproduce sound. We feed energy into a flat radiating diaphragm, and what that means for an outdoor speaker is no grill. And with no grill, you'll have no rusty metalwork that has to be repainted or replaced after only a few seasons in the weather. Some other cool features about the StingRay, they're completely customizable. So we do custom paint jobs in the factory. We also do graphic applications. So if an installer wants to make this blend right into its environment, it can send us a picture. We can print that picture right on the speaker for total customization. Furthermore, if you want it to stand out, we can do logo branding on the speaker or artwork on the speaker. The sky's the limit. So visit us at www.stealthacoustics.com and check out all the options.